In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job as an immigrant in Canada. The first thing you need to do is check your legal right to work in Canada. In many cases, foreign nationals need a work permit, and the type of permit depends on their situation. Some people qualify for an employer-specific work permit, while others may be eligible for an open work permit. Understanding this early is important because it affects how you approach your job search. Next, determine which immigration or work permit pathway applies to you. If you are outside Canada, you may need to secure the right permit before traveling. In many cases, an employer-specific permit requires a job offer, and the employer may also need to complete an LMIA process. Knowing this helps you focus on realistic opportunities. Once that is clear, prepare a Canadian-style resume. Keep it simple, professional, and focused on relevant experience, skills, education, and achievements. It is also a good idea to avoid unnecessary personal details and tailor your resume to each role you apply for. You should also prepare a strong cover letter. This is your chance to explain why you are qualified and how your background can benefit the employer. A thoughtful cover letter can help your application stand out. After that, check whether your profession is regulated in Canada. Some occupations require licensing or certification before you can legally work in that field. If needed, have your foreign credentials assessed so employers or licensing bodies can understand your education and qualifications. Another important step is improving your English or French. Strong communication skills can make a big difference in both finding work and succeeding in the workplace. Newcomer services may also help with language training and settlement support. When you are ready to search, start with Canada's Job Bank. It includes job postings across the country and resources designed for newcomers. You should also search other websites such as LinkedIn, Indeed, company career pages, and provincial employment services. If you do not yet have work authorization, pay close attention to employers who hire newcomers or foreign workers. It also helps to use newcomer employment services. These organizations often offer resume workshops, interview preparation, and job search support. If you need Canadian experience, consider volunteering, internships, short-term contracts, or entry-level roles to build local references.